Morning, sir. I'm Satish Kumar, son of Minaj Chisora from DKM 5B. Today I'm going to present about industry training report. I'm doing my internship at LMG Relika Center Bahad. It's located at number 10 Zanazura Pusat Pendistrian Mukim Rasas Hulu Selangor. The company internationally certificate and integrated rolling stock manufacturing facility in Malaysia with regional setups. And then they provide products such as mainline locomotive remanufacturing, urban transportation, and also wagon. The LMG Rilka also offers one of the widest ranges of service such as maintenance, repair, and overall wheel axle and wheel set and bearing. The company has 5 departments. The vision is innovative manufacturing and extending life of railway rolling stock. The mission is we are passionate about providing our clients with innovative, on-time, and cost-effective maintenance and engineering solutions via railway rolling stock. The slogan is "Promise to Eat." This is the core of values of the company. This is organization chart of the company. Summary of the industrial training activities. First is drilling process, and then boring process, and last but not least cutting process. Drilling process cutting of holes in a solid material using a rotating cutting tool. And then the boring process is process of enlarging a hole that has already been drilled, and cutting process is separation of opening of a physical into two or more portions through the application of an accurately directed process. Now I'm going to present our steps to do the drilling process. First is set up the clamp on the machine. Second is tighten up the workpiece on the clamp. Third is using the center point instrument to measure the accuracy of the center point on the workpiece. And fourth is adjust the speed and pressure limit of the machine. Fourth is fix the drill bit to the machine for the drilling process. And last is clean the workpiece and arrange into the pallet. And then I'm going to present our steps to do the boring process. First is set up the clamp on the machine, and second is tied up the workpiece on the clamp. And third is place the boring tool accurately to the center of the hole. And fourth is make sure the tool bit touch all the surface of the hole. And fourth is adjust the meter of the machine on the increasing the diameter of boring process. And 6 is measure the diameter of the circle of a vernier caliper. And 7 is clean the workpiece and arrange to the pallet. And then I'm going to present the step to the cutting process. First is measure and mark along the metal bar, and second is cut the long metal bar, and third is give the metal bar the person in charge for the lead process, and fourth is the person in charge minimize the diameter of the long metal bar, and fifth is collect the long metal bars, and sixth is cut the long metal bar into 3 pieces, and seventh is clean the workpiece and arrange it to the pallet to the next process. The recommendation for the polytechnic is the polytechnic industrial training department should be discussed with the companies to get an overview of the work done by companies. And the polytechnic should conduct a survey or discussion within the students about real situation when undergoing internship at the selected companies. The English language should apologize more before the student undergo industrial training. The recommendation for the training organization is set up the schedule on the type of task, and the organization also ensure that given tasks should be related to their followed process at polytechnics. And then organization must be provide teamwork frequently during internship. Organizations should provide appreciate motion of work schedule during the internship period. In conclusion, by the induction period is by students' confident level, improvement in teamwork, maintain good relationship among co-workers, students able to improve technical skills, communication skills, and knowledge during the internship period, and then students will be able and easier to practice or comply with workplace rules and regulations. That's all to today. Thank you.